Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Here in this left upper corner we've got 3 bars icons, so just tap on it and tap on settings. Here we've got the option blocked numbers, so just tap on it and now tap on add a number. And as you can see, all we need to do here is to simply enter the number that we want to block and tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. This is our blacklist, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. You can also block unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher at the top. It's up to you, you can turn it off the same way. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.